For those seeking top-notch window installation services in Nampa, Idaho, our team of local window experts is here to provide exceptional home window services. Whether you need energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, or vinyl window replacement, our professional window installation Nampa, Idaho services ensure your home is equipped with the best window styles and designs. Our window contractor Nampa, Idaho team specializes in custom windows and window fitting, ensuring a perfect match for your home's aesthetics and efficiency. Many homeowners also begin their upgrades with window replacement Nampa, Idaho, ensuring both beauty and performance. Window installation services Nampa, Idaho are essential for maintaining the durability and safety of your windows. Our window frame installation and window glass replacement services are designed to enhance window efficiency and extend the lifespan of your windows. With our window sealing and window insulation Nampa, Idaho services, you can enjoy improved energy efficiency and reduced utility costs. Our window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top condition, providing long-lasting performance and reliability while preparing your home for future window replacement Nampa, Idaho needs. Understanding window replacement cost Nampa, Idaho is crucial for homeowners planning a window upgrade. Our affordable window replacement Nampa, Idaho options offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. We provide comprehensive window consultation Nampa, Idaho services to help you choose the best window styles and designs for your home. Our window measurement Nampa, Idaho services ensure precise fitting, while our window warranty Nampa, Idaho guarantees peace of mind with every installation. This makes the process of window replacement Nampa, Idaho both convenient and cost-effective. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our window aesthetics Nampa, Idaho services. Our custom windows Nampa, Idaho are designed to complement your home's architecture, providing a seamless blend of style and functionality. With our window design Nampa, Idaho expertise, you can achieve the perfect balance of beauty and performance. Our window safety Nampa, Idaho solutions prioritize the protection of your home and family, offering advanced features for added security while supporting your goals for window replacement Nampa, Idaho. Choose the best window services Nampa, Idaho for your residential window replacement needs. Our energy-efficient windows Nampa, Idaho and double-pane windows Nampa, Idaho options are designed to improve your home's insulation and reduce energy consumption. Trust our local window experts Nampa, Idaho for all your window needs, from window consultation to installation and maintenance. Experience the difference with our professional window installation Nampa, Idaho services, ensuring your home is equipped with the highest quality windows available and ready for window replacement Nampa, Idaho improvements. Window replacement cost Nampa, Idaho is a crucial consideration for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Understanding the factors that influence window replacement cost Nampa, Idaho, such as materials, labor, and window styles, can help you budget effectively. Affordable window replacement Nampa, Idaho options are available to suit various budgets, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Prioritizing window replacement Nampa, Idaho allows homeowners to enhance their home's overall efficiency. Energy-efficient windows Nampa, Idaho are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to reduce energy bills and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows Nampa, Idaho, you can enjoy long-term savings and contribute to a more sustainable environment. These upgrades pair perfectly with window replacement Nampa, Idaho projects. Window contractor Nampa, Idaho services are essential for ensuring a successful window installation. A professional window contractor Nampa, Idaho can provide expert advice on window styles, materials, and installation techniques. By hiring a reputable window contractor Nampa, Idaho, you can ensure your windows are installed correctly and perform optimally. Skilled contractors play a key role in delivering high-quality window replacement Nampa, Idaho results. Window insulation Nampa, Idaho is a key factor in enhancing the energy efficiency of your home. Proper window insulation Nampa, Idaho helps prevent drafts and heat loss, improving indoor comfort and reducing energy costs. Investing in quality window insulation. Nampa, Idaho can significantly impact your home's overall energy performance and support future window replacement. Nampa, Idaho efforts. Custom windows. Nampa, Idaho offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance and functionality. With custom windows. Nampa, Idaho, you can choose from a variety of window styles, materials, and finishes to match your home's design. Custom windows. Nampa, Idaho provide a tailored solution that meets your specific needs and preferences while enhancing the benefits of window replacement. Nampa, Idaho. Window installation services. Nampa, Idaho are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame installation, or window sealing, professional window installation services. Nampa, Idaho can address any issues promptly. Regular window maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows, making future window replacement. Nampa, Idaho projects easier and more efficient. Vinyl window replacement. Nampa, Idaho is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Vinyl windows are resistant to weathering, require minimal upkeep, and offer excellent insulation properties. Choosing vinyl window replacement. Nampa, Idaho ensures long-lasting performance and energy efficiency while contributing to a successful window replacement. Nampa ID project. Window aesthetics. Nampa, Idaho play a significant role in enhancing your home's curb appeal. With a wide range of window styles. Nampa, Idaho available, you can select designs that complement your home's architecture. Window aesthetics. Nampa, Idaho can transform the look of your home, adding value and visual interest while enhancing your window replacement. Nampa, Idaho strategy. Window consultation. Nampa, Idaho services provide valuable insights into the best window options for your home. A window consultation. Nampa, Idaho can help you understand the benefits of different window styles, materials, and features. By scheduling a window consultation. Nampa, Idaho, you can make informed decisions about your window upgrade and plan an effective window replacement. Nampa, Idaho project. Window durability. Nampa, Idaho is a critical factor to consider when selecting new windows. Durable windows can withstand harsh weather conditions and daily wear and tear, ensuring long-term performance. By choosing windows with high durability. Nampa, Idaho, you can enjoy peace of mind and reduced maintenance costs while maximizing the results of your window replacement. Nampa, Idaho investment.